So let's start first by looking at or practicing with the same way we were doing yesterday. So let me make some more squares here. Let's not quite that many. There we go. Do that. And we have actually all right. So here we have our squares, right? If I count my squares, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 squares. And we're dividing them into 3 groups. Like I said yesterday, division is all about being fair, all about being equal and even. Do I have enough squares to give every group 1 square? Alexa, do I have enough?
Yes.
Yes, I have plenty right now, right? So let me start moving. 1, 1, 1. Do I have enough to give each group a second square? Kylie?
Yes.
Yes. 2, 2, 2. All right, give me thumbs up, thumbs down. Do I have enough to give each group a third square? All right, let's see. 3, 3, 3. Oh, hold on. 3, 3, and 3. Okay, thumbs up, thumbs down. Do I have enough to give each group a fourth square? All right, I do. We do another one. 4. Hold on. I don't know why the squares want to be on top. Back. There we go. 4, 4, 4. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Do I have enough to give each group 5? Still got some. 5, 5, 5. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Do I have enough for 6? Got enough. 6, 6, 6. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Do I have enough to give each group 7? No, this time I don't. I almost have enough. I have 2, but I have 3 groups. I don't have enough to give every single group another one. So my answer would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, with a remainder of 2. I have 2 left over that I can't put into any group. All right, let me come up with a new one. Out. Let me put all my squares together. No. I know. Okay. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I have 25 squares. And I have 5 groups. I'm going to be splitting up my squares into my groups. Thumbs up or thumbs down, do I have enough squares to give one to every one of my groups? I do, so let me put those there. 1, 1, 1, 1. Do I got enough? Thumbs up, thumbs down to do it again. All right, I have enough. 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Do I have enough for a third? I give every group 3. Kylie.
You forgot to put 2 on number.
Oh, you're right. Thank you, Kylie. Oh, hold on. You know what? I think I know what might have happened. Yep. They were there. They were hiding.
Oh.
But thank you, because you're right. If this is division, I can't be unfair. I can't be unequal. Everything has to be even.
You could make another group.
Okay,
You can
let's
make
do
3.
another then. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Do I have enough to do 4? Got enough. Let's do it again. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Ooh, I'm getting close to running out. Do I have enough to do another group? Can I go around one more time and give every group a square? I see some thumbs up, some thumbs down. Let's try it and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I barely have enough. But since I have enough, I can do it. I don't have any more squares. So this divided perfectly. And I ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each group. Now earlier on our problems, I had told you all that this method works really well, but as we get into bigger and bigger numbers, this method kind of starts to take more and more time, and it takes more and more space. I mean, you can look here. I have 25 squares. 25 squares that we were dividing. Think about the problem we did before lunch. We had 98. I would have to make 98 squares and then go one by one and put them into groups. Would it work? Absolutely. Would it take a long time? Absolutely. And would it take a lot of space? Absolutely. So I want to show you a way that we can use with small numbers and with big numbers that will work out. That'll work out. It'll be a lot quicker, especially with the bigger numbers, and you'll still get the right answers. So I'm going to make up a number here. Okay, my number here is going to be the number. Let's do the number. I'll do 24. And we're going to divide it by. We'll divide it by 6. Okay, 24, and we're going to divide by 6. Oh, hold on. Let me fix this. Oh, a little bit bigger. Okay. 24 divided by. Now again, I'm trying to show you this way so we can save a little bit of room. I'm going to start with whatever box is closest to my groups. I'm making 6 groups, so whatever number is closest to my 6, the 2. So let's see, what if I had 6 groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need one more. 6. Oh, a little bit of room. There we go. 6 groups. And all I had was 2 squares. Can I put squares in any of my groups and be equal, be even, or be fair? No, there's not enough. I need at least 6. And 2 was a lot less than 6. So if I look at the number of squares in my groups, it's 0. There are 0 squares. If I count them all the squares I was able to put in here, I get 0. What is 2 minus 0? Christopher, what's 2 minus 0?
2.
2, because I still had 2 squares left over, right? 2 that I couldn't put into any group. Now, if you see, there's an arrow here. Because this 2, I don't want it to be by itself. I still have more numbers to work with. So I'm going to take the 2 from this box, and I'm going to move it exactly where the arrow tells me to. I'm going to move it next to my 4. So now instead of 4, I have 24. So let me go back here. And now instead of 2 squares, I should have 24. So now I have 24 squares. Now, do I have enough to start putting some in my groups of 6 or my 6 groups? Would I have enough to be fair and equal and even with all of my groups? Definitely. So I could start by putting 1 square in every group. I still have enough to do a second one. I've got enough to do a third one. And I even have enough to do a fourth one. And then I run out of squares. I don't have any extra, but I was able to be fair, to be equal, be even. How many squares was I able to put in every group? Jada, how many squares did every group get?
4.
How many squares, Jada?
4.
4. I was able to put 4 squares in every single group. And did I have any squares left over? Do I have any more that I couldn't put into a group? No, no leftover squares. I had no remainders. So my answer, if I was to divide 24 by 6, would be, if I wrote this, it would be 0, 4, but do I have to put the 0 in front of the 4? Like I said before, Christopher, you don't have to ask. You just let me know and you go. If I was going to write this, I wouldn't put the 0 in front of the 4. I would just put 4. So 4 is my answer. So that's not too bad, 24 squares. But what if we had bigger numbers? What if we had ones like we had in the problem today? Oh, hold on. Today in the problem that we worked on, we had 90, what was it, 92? 92. A lot of squares. Definitely not something that I want to make or draw or have to write. So let's try with a big number as well. Let's try, let's do 63. 63, and we're going to divide by, let's divide by 3. 63 divided by 3. So we're trying to make 3 groups. Again, I'm going to start with whatever box is closest to my groups. I'm making 3 groups, so the closest number I have is 6. So if I was going to try to share equally, I have 6, and I'm making 3 groups. What I'm going to do is I'm going to count by 3s and see how many groups I'm able to make. Okay? Let me write that here. We're going to count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. So that's the end of my 3 song, right? These are my 3s. Next time, won't you sing with me? So I'm making groups of 3. Or I'm making 3 groups and I only have 6. Can I go all the way to 36? Do I have enough here in this one box? No, not to 36, but let's see how many groups I could make. Do I have enough to make 1 group? Yeah, I have more than 3. Do I have enough to make 2 groups? Yeah, I have 6. Do I have enough to try to go for another one? No, because 9 is way more than 6. Plus, I matched my number exactly. So I was able to make 1, 2 groups, or 2 in each group. 2. When I made those 2 groups, we stopped at 6. What is 6 minus 6? Jada, what's 6 minus 6? Zero. I'd have 0 left over. Because it fit perfectly, right? I matched my number exactly. Well, just like before, I don't want the 0 to be by itself. I'm going to take the 0. It's going to follow my arrow to my next box. And now I have 3. And we're still making 3 groups. Let me look back at my 3s really quick. Do I have enough to make 1? And I put 1 in every group. Yeah, it matches perfectly. If it matches perfectly, should I try to go for another one? Ezekiel? What do you think? I have 3.
Yes.
I put them into 3 groups. My number matches exactly. Can I put 2 in every group? Do I have enough?
No.
So I don't have enough for 2, but I do have enough for 1 in every group. If I put 1 in each one of those 3 groups, I'd have 3. What's 3 minus 3? Alexa, what's 3 minus 3?
0.
0. So I'd have nothing left over. No leftovers, no remainders. So my answer would be 21. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try a big number this time. We'll do 70. Yeah, 70. We'll do 70, and we're going to put it in 5 groups. 70 divided by 5. So this time, instead of counting by 3s, we're making 5 groups. So we're going to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Once we're finished with math, Violet, yes. But that's like I said before lunch. I always start with the box closest to the number of groups. I'm making 5 groups. The first number I'm going to try to put in is 7. If I gave every group 1, I would have 5. 7's bigger than 5, so I've got enough. What if I try to give each group 2? Do I have enough here to give each of my 5 groups 2? Kylie? Do I have enough in this box to give each of my 5 groups 2?
No.
No, I don't have enough. But I do have enough for 1. So every group can get 1. That would be fair. If every group got 1, that would mean I need 5. So let's take those away. What's 7 minus 5, Kylie?
2.
2. Alright. Well, I can't leave the 2 by itself. I'm going to have it follow the arrow. I'm going to put it in front of the 0. 20. Okay. Well, now I'm going to try to put 20 into 5 groups. If I give every group 1, that would be 5. Violet, do I have enough to give every group 1?
You're not on there. You're not on the,
I'm not on what?
you're not on the ones with the circles.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, yeah.
If I have
Yes.
20 and I'm trying to give 1 to each of my 5 groups, do I have enough to do that?
No.
That only takes 5.
I mean,
Do I have enough if I have 20? Can I give 5 away?
no.
I can't?
I mean, yes.
Yeah, if I have 20, I have plenty to give away 5. What if I give every group 2? I would need 10 to do that. Do I have enough to give away 10?
No.
Is 20 bigger than 10?
Yes.
Yeah. So would I have enough to give that away?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, what if I give every group 3? That would be 15. Do I have enough here to give away 15?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, what if I give every group 4? That means I need 20. Do I have enough to give away 20?
Well, if you give away 20, you'll have no more left. So,
That's
yes.
exactly what I want for division. For division, it's all about sharing evenly, equally. I want to try to make it so that I don't have any left over. So if I give away 20, you're right, I won't have any left over. But in division, that's okay. That's exactly what I want.
Yeah.
So I do have enough. All right, Violet. If I give every group 5, I would need 25. Do I have enough for that?
No.
No, I don't. I would run out before then. So I can only give every group 1, 2, 3, 4. So every group could get 4.
Yep.
And if I give them 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, that means I need how many, Violet?
Well, if you give them 4, that means
1, 2, 3, 4.
then, well, like I said, you'll have no left.
I'll have none left because 20 minus 20 equals 0. So you're right. I wouldn't have any left over, but in division, that's exactly what I want. I want everybody to be fair and equal and even, and to have nothing left over. So I won't have any left over, and every group would end up with 14. That's pretty good. Every group gets 14. Okay, let's try.
Whoops.
Let's try another. We'll do... Okay. 45. And we're going to divide it by 2. Since we're making 2 groups, we're going to count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Okay. I always start with the box closest to my groups. I have 2 groups, so I'm going to start with this number here, 4. Noah, if I give each group 1, I need 2. Do I have enough to give away 2? Do I have enough in this box to give away 2?
Yes.
Yes, okay. I'm going to try giving every group 2 now, Noah. I need 4. Do I have enough in this box to give away 4? Yeah. I'm going to try to give every group 3, Noah. Do I have enough in this box to give away 6? No, I only have 4. So I have to stop here. That means I could give every group 2. Every group gets 2. And if I give them 1, 2, what is 4 minus 4, Noah? If I give 4 away, how much would I have left?
0.
0. I wouldn't have anything left. Okay, I don't want the 0 to be lonely, so it's going to follow the arrow and hang out with my 5. All right, I've got 5. I'm still making groups of 2. So, Bailey. Bailey, I've got 5. I'm still trying to make 2 groups. If I give every group 1, do I have enough in this box to give away 2, Bailey?
So there are 4 groups, right? Or
There's
or
only
is it
2.
2?
There's only 2 groups.
So
So here I have 5 in this box, right?
right.
Do I have enough to give away 2?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, I'm going to try giving every group another piece. Do I have enough to give away 4 pieces from this box?
No.
If I have 5, I can't give away 4 pieces?
Wait, yes, you can.
I can. All right, what if I try to give every group 3, Bailey? Do I have enough in this box to give away 6 pieces?
No.
No, that's a little too much, right?
Right.
Okay, so I can't give them 3 pieces, but I can give them 2. Every group gets 2 pieces. That's fair. But now I need to get rid of them, because I gave them away. So Bailey, what's 5 minus 4?
1.
1. So I would have 1 piece left over. 1 piece that I can't give away because it wouldn't be fair. So my answer would be 22 with a remainder of 1. Because this 1 piece, whatever is left here, I can't give it away. There's no way to give it away to anyone. Because it wouldn't be fair to my other groups. They'd be the only ones getting it. Okay, another big number. Let's see. What big number can I give you guys? Something that's not too easy.
What about the read aloud?
I know I've said this before, Nakai, but I'll say it again. We need to finish with the math first before we do the read aloud.
Oh, okay.
Another big number. Big number, big number, big number. Let's do 83. So the number 83. And we're going to divide it. We're going to put it into groups of... Let's do 4. Groups of 4. Or 4 groups. Okay? Since I have 4 groups, I'm going to count by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, and 36, 40, 44, 48. All right. So I'm making 4 groups. I'm going to start with the number closest to my group. Number 8. Ezekiel, I have 4 groups. If I give every group 1 piece, I need to give away 4. Do I have enough in my first box to give away 4 pieces?
No.
If I have 8, I can't give away 4 pieces, Ezekiel?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, I have more than enough. So let me try to give each group 2 pieces then. Ezekiel, if I try to give each group 2 pieces, do I have enough in the first box to give away 8 pieces?
No.
If I have 8, I can't give away 8?
Yes.
Yeah. If I have enough here, remember, if I run out, that's okay. That's exactly what I want for division. I want to run out. But if I try to give them 3 pieces, I would need 12. But I only have 8 here. I wouldn't have enough to give away 12. So I can give away 1 piece to every group. I can give away 2 pieces to every group, but I can't give away 3 pieces. I can only give away 2. 2 pieces to every group. If I give every group 1, 2 pieces, which means I had to give away 8 pieces. Ezekiel, what's 8 minus 8?
0.
0. I give away all my pieces. And again, in division, that's okay. Exactly what I want. I don't want the 0 to be alone. I'm going to take it. It's going to follow the arrow and hang out in front of my 3. I've got 3 pieces left. I still have 4 groups. That didn't change. It's still the same. If I have 4 groups and I try to give every group 1 piece, I would need 4 pieces. Brianna, do I have enough in my second box to give away 4 pieces? What do you think, Brianna? Right here, in this box, I've got 3 pieces left. Do I have enough to give away 4 pieces? No, I only have 3, which means I don't have enough. I can't even give my groups 1 piece. They get 0 pieces. There's not enough. Three minus 0, because I couldn't give them any pieces. 3 minus 0 would be what? Who can tell me? What's 3 minus 0? Noah?
3.
3. 3 minus 0 is 3. So I'd have 3 pieces left over, a remainder of 3. But every single group could get 20 pieces. So that's the number I have on top. We're going to practice more with this tomorrow. We're going to see, again, we're going to practice with small numbers, with big numbers, so that we can start using this. And that way we don't have to always be drawing to do our division problems. It'll save us time, it'll save us space.